If you would like to create a course and you don't want to use a paid tool to create the course, you can use WordPress with some free plugins that are available for you to use. So there are two methods I'm going to show you. Let me show you the methods and what I've done with them. So for the first one, I use a plugin called Paid Membership Pro, and this is a website. The free version of this plugin is enough for you to run your courses successfully. So this is what I've done with this plugin. This is a course I created with this plugin, just using the free version and some free plugins that are available in the WordPress repository. So this is a course I created with it. It has a button for you to join or to sign up. Okay, this can be styled differently if you want, and you can see all of the lessons. So the process involves signing up. This can be a paid course, like if you want it to be routed through a payments platform like Stripe, or if you're in Africa, Paystack or Flutterwave, you have the option to do that. You can use any payments method you want. Okay, I already have an account with this, so I'm just going to sign in and show you how it looks. So this is how it looks from the user's perspective. This is the first lesson. For the video player, what I did was to embed each of the videos on YouTube and set it as unlisted. Then I used this plugin called Presto Player. Yeah, this is a plugin I use, the free version, to embed the video. So that covers up the YouTube link, the watch on YouTube link, and all of those other buttons. It kind of covers them up, so you can only watch the video right here, and the URL to the unlisted video is not visible. So when the person is done watching this, you can simply move to the next lesson. And this was manually done, so I did this. I had to type in the URL. So this is the next lesson, and this under this lesson I embedded more than 2 videos, included text, so you can put anything you want here. So that is how this one works. You can put text, you can put images, you can put video, and it's very simple, very basic. It's just like making WordPress posts or pages and then getting them through a payment. Of course, there's an option for you to do subscription based payment or one time. So let me show you how that works. This is how the back end of the membership plugin looks like. It allows you to integrate with these other LMS plugins. I'm going to talk about this one in a short while, because those are the two I have used for totally free and they work perfectly. So if you come to settings, you can add membership levels, and in the membership level, that is where you determine how long the membership will last and the price for that. Yeah, so this is the duration of expiry. This is where you set the amount. The currency is determined by what you have on your payments merchants, either your Stripe or your Paystack or whatever. But this is where you set the amount. If you want it to be free, you just leave it as 0. So this is a very good plugin. Paid Membership Pro is enough for you to do anything that you want to do as far as selling courses online is concerned. It is easy to use for even beginners. You really don't know, You don't need to know how to code, and it doesn't require a lot of codes. So some other plugins I use with it is this Paid Membership Pro Courses for Membership add-on. So this is just one, and the Presto Player. So those are the basic one. With the core plugin, the Courses for Membership add-on, which is free, and the Presto Player. So that is the first setup, and that is how I was able to achieve this. Yeah, so can go back to the main page. Of course, this website is live, so you can check it to see how this works. Okay, so for this now, it just takes you to a different book. Like, it's quite flexible. It's not restricted to videos. You can just do whatever you like with it. Okay, now let me take you to the other plugin. This is how the homepage of the courses look like, and this is my website also. These are the courses I've created with it. So this is Tutor LMS. This plugin. Now I use the free version as well. That is what I use to create this. So it is more systemized. It looks more like a course, like a training system, but it's not as straightforward as Paid Membership Pro. Yeah, like it's quite advanced. It has a lot of details. Yeah, and okay, it has a dashboard. So let me show you how. So this is how the instructor's dashboard looks like. Yeah, this is how it looks like. But the difference between this and the Paid Membership Pro is that you will have to enter a lot of custom codes in different, although you might not need to write, so you might just get the custom code from the support of the plugin on the WordPress repository somewhere here. You find people that have had maybe the same issues before here, because the plugin is old. It's been around for a long time, so there's a lot of information available on it. So you might just have to copy the code from there, but you will have to fix different things. For instance, when someone logs into their course area, what page would they land on? When they log out, what page would they go to? So there are a lot of things that you just have to do all by yourself. And this is based on my experience using this as at 2023, which is last year. So I don't know how it is at the moment. I don't know if the experience is different, if they have fixed some of those things and made it easier. All the way, it's good. Yeah, for something you're using for free, it has a value and it is good enough. The only thing is you have to put some codes in your child theme. You have to do a lot of testing. And of course, for the monetization, you can either link it with WooCommerce. Yeah, I think you can also use easy digital download. So let me go to the page and show you. Okay, so this is it. Yeah, you can use WooCommerce, and that's because I have the WooCommerce plugin installed. But if I had a different plugin, let's say easy digital download installed, that is what I'll have the option to choose as. So it's either of those two. Yeah, and that is where it differs from paid membership pro. With this, you don't need to have either of those two. You just need to have this extension. So there's another plugin depending on what payment platform you want to use. If you are in Nigeria or Africa, you can use Paystack. So they have a plugin you can use to integrate with paid membership pro. You can do without WooCommerce, because one of the disadvantages of this tutor LMS, the fact that WooCommerce adds a lot of bloat to your website, so you might want to avoid it. I'd rather use EDD if I have to use tutor LMS. So this is a plugin, this gateway, Paystack gateway for paid membership pro. Yeah, so if what I'm doing is simple and I'm just starting out, I'll rather use this. And if I want to get some advanced features and I don't have a small budget, I'll go for this. But if I'm on a tight budget, I don't want to spend money, I'll just go for tutor LMS. It might take me more time to set up some stuff, but the truth is, when you're done, you have to do a lot of testing to ensure that everything is perfect and your users don't get into errors. Yeah, so this is the plugin to integrate with paid membership pro, and I think they also have for Flutterwave. I'm not sure now. Okay, yeah, this is it. But this is on, I think it's now called Rave. Yep. So this is it. You can use Flutterwave or use Paystack. Though this plugin was last updated in 7 years ago, so it's not advisable to use this. It's better to just go with Paystack that was still updated 2 months ago. Yeah. So if you want me to go into a deep dive on how to set either of these up, either of paid membership pro or tutor LMS, so I'll ask that you kindly make a comment, ask in the comments, and I'll see what to do about that. By the way, if you use Paystack, because I've tried this before, if you use Paystack to integrate with this, your users will have to pay with their card if it's going to be on subscription basis, because Paystack has the option to pay with USD, with bank transfer, with QR code, but all of those wouldn't be active if it is a subscription based course that they have to pay every month or every year. They will only be able to use card, and the reason for that is very simple, because a direct debit can be done on the card, but can't be done if they don't input their card details, if they do payment by transfer or any other means. Yeah, so in terms of pricing, I'll go for paid membership pro. In terms of documentation and support, I'll also choose them because their free WordPress support is quite active, and they are kind of organized. It's simpler to use, easier to use. Tutor LMS is very good when it comes to the interface and how course-like it looks. Yeah, something close to Udemy and Coursera. That is what it's good for. But it is best if you know your way around WordPress a lot, or even if you're a programmer, if you know how to code, you might be able to get some things by yourself without going for these paid plans. You'll be able to do a lot by yourself. All right, that is what I have to show you today. As I said earlier, if you want me to go deeper into any of these plugins, please make a comment and tell me what you want me to do. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be glad if you do. I'm almost at 100. I have 97 subscribers now. I just need 3 more people to help me get to 100, and if you do that for me, I'll be very glad. Thank you for watching. I wish you the best and I hope to see you again soon.